Now, using eyeshadow brushes is the key point if you want to create a beautiful eye makeup look. And you can use the same brushes to create different looks as well as using different techniques. And this is what this video is about, as we're going to keep it very simple when it comes to the brushes, but the technique is different. As I'm going to show you how you can create a smoky effect eye makeup look, and we're not going to keep it with any dark colors so that you are like, which would be very suitable for an evening look, but we're going to do it the opposite. We want to make it suitable for an everyday makeup look, and I'm going to focus on some purples, as I believe it's the perfect color also for the season as well as also for this tutorial, so that you can see how I'm using different brushes in different ways as well. So it's not only that I'm going to show you what one brush can do in one step, but I'm going to show you in one main step different uses of the brush, which is really important so that you can have some fun and also play around with some eye makeup looks. As just because you have the 3 or 4 main brushes doesn't mean that you only can create one look. No, you just have fun, experiment with the brushes, as you can use them in so many different ways. Now, I'm also going to keep this eye makeup look very matte. So what's really important is that you know how to blend the shadows, as otherwise it can look very chalky, it can also look very harsh as you can't blend it. So what's really important is that if you want to make sure that the blending is on point and that you will have like a seamless look, then make sure that you're practicing as much as you can the blending technique, as this is key. Now, with that being said, I also hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share it, as this is an independent channel. Thank you so much for your support. My name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a professional makeup artist, and now let's get started. Now, the eyeshadow brushes that you need to create a smoky effect is a basic eyeshadow brush, a tapered eyeshadow brush, and a crease brush. Now let's move on to apply the shadow across your lid with a basic eyeshadow brush. Starting off with applying primer to your lids. Use your basic eyeshadow brush to apply primer or concealer to your lid. If you're going to use concealer, keep in mind that you need to set it with some translucent powder. Now you can apply a lightly shaded eyeshadow across your entire lid from the eyelash base to the brow bone. You can use the same brush which you use to apply your primer or concealer with, but then make sure that you're going to clean it in between. Otherwise, use a second basic eyeshadow brush which is still clean. You can also use this brush to start adding darker colors to your lids. Apply the darker color to the outer third part of your eyelid and blend it with a lighter shadow. And now we are going to smudge the eyeshadow with the tapered eyeshadow brush and then blend the darker color. To get a smoky eye, you'll need to smudge your eyeshadow. Using a tapered brush, sweep the bristles around the edges of the darker color. Doing this will blend the darker shade into the lighter shade so that you will get a color gradient, which will give you a natural look. You can also use a tapered brush to add more contour to your eyes by lightly sweeping on a slightly darker shade of your shadow under your brow bone, which will create a shadow and make your eyes look bigger. And now we are going to apply a darker color with the eyeshadow crease brush. To create depth, you will need to add a darker color to the crease of your eyelid. Dip a smaller eyeshadow crease brush into your eyeshadow and tap off any excess. Close your eye and using the brush, draw a line from the inner corner of your crease to the outer corner. Repeat this action to add more depth. You can also use a larger eyeshadow brush to blend the edges to get another color gradient, instead of an obvious dark line. To finish the look, don't forget to add some mascara to your lashes, and if needed, you can curl them beforehand. Once the mascara is on, this is it. This was the last step, and enjoy the beautiful and purple smoky effect. Now, creating that smoky eye effect with basic eyeshadow brushes, this is what I want to teach you in today's tutorial. And the reason why I also went with purple is because most of the time people are going with black or brown. And I just wanted to change it up, like try to change your routine, your habits, and get more colorful. I mean, just look at me. I have blue purplish hair, I have a purple makeup going on, and a pink sweater. I mean, this is something that where I can see creativity, this is where I can see fun, and it also motivates me. And of course, yeah, I do have my habits with some black clothes, but I'm trying to like change it up and have a little bit more fun in my life rather than always sticking with the same like stuff. And if you are seeing a color that you always wanted to apply, it doesn't matter if it's your hair or makeup, then just try it out, have fun with it, like see how it will work with your clothes that you're having at home or with the rest of your makeup, and you will feel like a different kind of person that will give you a little bit more confidence, and also you want to show it off. This is mainly also why you're going to use it, and this is okay. Just have fun with it and don't stick with your habits and change something, because this is also where your thinking in general will change and you will also enjoy it. Now, I hope that you also like this tutorial as well as the eye makeup look, and if you like this video, also don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!